Welcome back to Elite Automotive Experience. We're here today with John and his collection. We're going to be looking at some competition series BMWs right behind us, doing some cold starts. Follow John on his social media page. It is
Jacob's Garage.
And check out all his cool car collection. So we're going to start off with the M5 competition series here, doing a cold start. We're going to take a look at some of the details of the car real quick, which is a carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser, titanium exhaust, and this frozen beautiful paint that comes from BMW like this. This paint actually has this almost satin finish. I'm sure you can see it in the video. And yeah, we're going to go through the cold start now. Come with me this way. We're going to take a quick look at the interior. So you actually have rear bucket seats on this car. That's unbelievable. All carbon fiber competition series seats. This is an extremely rare competition series here. Even the color spec, green on almost like a gold tone, black on red interior. Every single piece of the interior is carbon fiber. Close it up so you can check out the rims on this. Sure. Yeah, we would love to see this. Check it out. Almost like a gold brass up against the green. Red Brembo brakes. Looks like carbon ceramic brakes as well. Wow. Oh my God. This thing is unbelievable.
No carbon.
This is all carbon fiber? Wow.
This
is an all carbon fiber hood. Jesus. This thing must be a rocket.
Literally just slam it like.
Slam it? Go ahead.
It's kind of scary. But
Yeah. That hood weighs nothing.
yes, it's crazy. It's just scary to slam, but yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
The M4 kit.
M4 kit.
Yes.
So this is giving you the additional appearance on the outside of the vehicle. You've got kit right on the top of the roof. It's also in carbon fiber seats, carbon fibered out interior, just like a competition, super lightweight. Bowers and Wilkins audio, fully loaded. And we're going right for the cold start. GT4. Underneath, hopefully we have time for this one. This is a EMC 12 DeLorean hidden under here. I don't know if we'll be able to catch this one today, but man, what a collection. I mean, seriously. And so grateful for John being able to show us the collection here today. Wait till you guys see this M4 competition series lightweight. The entire trunk is made of carbon fiber. I've never seen anything like it. Obviously, a big Dodge guy, but this is another level of lightweight cars.
That was awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my.
Take some glimpses here of the GT4. M4 Competition Series lightweight. Hey John, could you actually pop the trunk just so we could see the trunk? Take a look at the trunk. The entire trunk is carbon fiber. The whole thing. That's crazy. We're gonna do a cold start of this. All carbon fibered out at the bottom also. Look at the diffuser on this thing, it's a monster. Carbon fiber bucket seats. The entire back of the seat's carbon fiber. You got the iconic M series stitching all the way around. Rear seat delete has no rear seats at all. Looks like an Alcantara steering wheel as well for adding grip. Beautiful interior. And this is a 2023 also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then we have a 2024 M3 CS coming soon. Like a month.
What a monster.
Should go.
Extremely lightweight hood. Also, the entire hood is made of carbon fiber. Reminds me of the Gen 5 Vipers. The hoods are all made of carbon fiber. Wow. That's so beautiful just to even look at. Jeez. I like the strut tower too. That's a nice addition. Wow. Never seen this before. And this closes up the same way?
Oh no, this one you have to slam to.
Slam it?
I'll open it again. When you close it once,
Okay.
I'll open it again.
Raw carbon fiber here.
Sorry. No, it's slam.
Let's try it. There we go.
Yeah, see those headlights too.
Alright, the headlights are so cool. Let me turn them on. Alright,
Wow. That's incredible. They're like Matrix LED headlights. I just saw them move. And they're yellow.
I don't know.
Look at the carbon fiber all over this car. It's crazy.
And you can see this one actually got in an accident. Oddly enough. And you can see the part of the accident right here. But it got fixed, thankfully. The back end got fixed. It's just that little issue right there. But PPF.
No.
So that's it.
Perfect shape.
Yeah,
Carbon
exactly.
fiber mirror.
It's like nothing. This part got all messed up. Like we got fixed. The whole bumper got redo bumper, everything. Cool. You want to talk about that?
Sure.
You want. But it wasn't my fault. Thankfully, it was an accident. Yeah.
So, real quick, take a look up here. We actually have, or John's got, what I think is a really cool art, but this is from his previous Porsche. What kind of Porsche was this from?
GT4.
A GT4 that was in an accident, and they allowed him to keep the parts, and he made art out of it. That's the greatest idea ever. I would do the same thing. I think it looks super cool. I mean, just that headlight alone, I'm sure is worth $3,000. Follow John on his Instagram, his TikTok. Once again, those are.
JB's Garage.
And subscribe to Elite Automotive Experience. Thank you guys so much.